Good afternoon, students. In today's video lecture, we will see the Maths 2 first lesson similarity. Now, in this lesson, we have to see the first point ratio of areas of two triangles. Now, all students know the formula for area of triangle. What is the formula for area of triangle, students? Area of triangle equal to half base into height. Now we have to take the ratio of areas of two triangles. Now we have to find out the with the help of the figure. So see here on the screen, we have to find the ratio of areas of any two triangles. Here you are seeing the two triangles, which are they? Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Now you just now see that what is the formula for area of triangle? Half base into height. So which is the base here? For triangle ABC, BC is the base and height is AD. For the triangle PQR, base is QR and height is PS. Now we have to take the ratio. So see here students, in triangle ABC, AD is the height and BC is the base. And in triangle PQR, QR is the base and PS is the height. Now we have to take the ratio. So we are taking the ratio as area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to half BC into AD upon half QR into PS. So now here half of get cancel, student. 1 by 2 get cancel. So what you are getting? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to BC into AD upon QR into PS. From this, we are getting the statement, student. We are getting the property. What? The ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. Again, I am explaining what statement we are getting. Ratio of areas of two triangles. What is the ratio of areas of two triangles for this sum? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, you are seeing here, equal to sign, is equal to the ratio of, it is the ratio of what? Quantity is ratio of product of their bases. Which are the bases here? And corresponding heights. Bases are BC and QR and corresponding heights are AD and PS. So now we have to generalize this statement. So if we are considering base of triangle is B1 and height is H1 for first triangle, and for second triangle base of another triangle is B2 and height is H2, then the ratio of their area is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. So this statement we have studied ratio of areas of two triangles. Now we have to apply the some conditions or some cases. In that we have to apply one condition. So first condition, if the height of both the triangles are equal. See on the screen you are seeing the triangle ABC is here and triangle PQR is here. Here height H is, AD is the height and measurement of that is H, and PS is also height of triangle PQR and H is the height. Now here write the formula. What is the formula for area of triangle ABC? Area of triangle ABC, base is BC, height is H. Area of triangle PQR, what is the base, student, here? QR. So QR into H. So here H get cancelled. And what is the remaining part? Here what are the remaining quantities? BC upon QR. So what is the BC and QR? BC and QR is nothing but base of first triangle and base of second triangle. So you can write here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to B1 by B2. So from that, from first condition you know the property, the ratio of areas of two triangle with equal heights is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Yes, student, and again I am repeating, the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal heights is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Now see the condition 2. See in this diagram, condition 2, if the base of both triangles are equal. So what is the base of here? Both the triangles are equal. So which are the triangles here? ABC and APB. So base of triangle ABC, if you are saying here, base of triangle ABC is here AB and height is H1. Base of triangle APB is the base is also AB and height is different, student. Here what is the here height? H2. So what you are getting if you are taking the ratio? AB is the base common of both the triangles, so it get cancelled, and what is the remaining? H1 by H2. So what property you are getting? The ratio of areas of two triangles with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. So it is about the second one condition. Now see the third one condition. This is the condition 2. Now see here the activity, student, filling the blanks properly. Here triangle ABC is there. What is the area of triangle ABC here? Area of triangle ABC. Here what should you write in bracket? BC. Yes, area of triangle ABC is BC into AR. AR is the height. Height is always perpendicular to the base. So AR is the height and BC is the base. What is the area of triangle APQ? What is the base of APQ? PQ and height is AR. So you are getting PQ into AR. So what you are getting in the next bracket? You are getting BC by PQ because here AR get cancelled. See for the second one triangle, area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle DMN means this first activity is shows the first property. If the base is, if the height is same, then the ratio of areas of two triangle is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. In second triangle, what you are seeing here, area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle DMN. You are getting MN into LP upon MN into DQ. So here MN is the same, means Mn is the base get cancelled, and you are getting the answer LP upon DQ. Same for the third one. Here solve the student third one. M is the midpoint of the segment AB and segment CM is the median of triangle ABC. Median means here CM is the median means M is the midpoint of AB. So AM and MB should be equal. Therefore area of triangle AMC you are getting here AM upon BM. So AM upon BM is like, but AM and BM is same. So you are getting the answer 1. State the reason. You have to here write why you are getting the answer 1. Because AMC and triangle BMC are the equal bases and also AM equal to MB. Also they have the common vertex C and their bases AM and MB lie on the same line AB. Therefore, they are of equal heights. Therefore, triangle AMC and triangle BMC are of equal bases and equal height. Their ratio is 1. So, you have to remember that area of triangles with equal bases are proportional to their corresponding heights. Area of triangles with equal heights are proportional to their corresponding bases, and ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. So in this video we learn this about the properties of ratio of areas of two triangles. And what is the homework of this video lecture? You have to write the statement of ratio of areas of two triangles with the conditions and solve this activity in your notebook.